Okay, so this is dinner time. Fufu. So this is a Ghana fufu, Ghana plantain. This is how Jamaican eat fufu. So this is our Jamaican fufu with our soup. That's the way we eat it. Okay. So this is a lot of chicken and beef and goat and fish soup. And now I'm gonna make the Ghana one. That's the Jamaican one. Okay. So this is a nice fufu. Whoop. Fufu sit there, and this is how Ghana decorate it. Ghana decorate it with their plantain. Put this plate out of the way. Ghana don't like soup, only Jamaican like soup. Okay? Then I get some this is some kebab beef. Wow. Take a look. Yeah. That's the Ghana way. Okay? Then Ghana like to have their colors. Look at the difference between the Ghana one and the Jamaican one. This is Ghana, this is Jamaica with a lot of soup, okay? That's how we like it in Jamaica. See? That's how Ghana like it with their tomato and their beef, okay? Fast and simple. Okay. Yeah. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. And they like their red onions. Ghana don't eat without onion. Okay? Because onion is cheap in Ghana, but Jamaican can't afford onion. Too expensive. Yeah. I take this out of the way now. Okay. And this is how Ghana eat their vegetables. Ghana don't eat food without vegetables. So they always have to have some little vegetable on it. Ghana versus Jamaica. Okay, tell me what you think. This is the Ghana style. Nice and easy. Ripe plantain, some tomato, some kebab beef, some vegetables, a little fufu in the middle, and they always go with their drink. And this is the Jamaican style. The fufu under the bottom right there, and a lot of soup and meat on top. Because we Jamaica like our meat. So tell me what you think. Ghana versus Jamaica. Okay? Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Okay, let me zoom it in. Give you a nice look at it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna have a beer and I'm gonna eat both. Both is for me. Both the Ghana one and the Jamaican one. Okay?